Huawei has launched the Mate X in China. Will. It finally happened. It's not launching anywhere else. Not immediately, but it happened. It's a physical product. It's a real thing in China for now. That makes the two most recent Huawei devices mostly China releases. Because, of course, we were talking recently about the Mate 30 Pro. Now you can add the Mate X to that list. It's expensive. It's very expensive. It might be the most expensive phone, in fact. It's 1,700 local currency in China. What's that going to convert to? 2,500 bucks USD, around there, right?
Yeah.
Maybe 2,600 was originally what it was going to be. Mm-hmm. It went online on Huawei's online store, and it sold out within minutes. People, hey, man. I think people knew what they're in for. Anyone buying one of those devices also got 50% off screen-related repairs and replacements. Interesting. A little insurance policy.
Yeah. They're preparing for it.
Now, listen. I am still incredibly skeptical, particularly in the durability department. We were trying to get our hands on one forever. It never happened.
It will.
Okay, here's Willie Doo going on the record. He's having a day. It's Willie Doo's show today.
Mr.
It's his
Huawei.
world. We're just living in it today.
Yeah.
What's your statement on this one? When are we getting this? 2 weeks.
No, this one's a bit longer. I would say 2 months.
2 months.
Let's
Okay.
try 2 months.
Wow. Will. All right. People are marking on their calendars. They're going to hold you
know.
accountable as they should.
Twitter feed's gonna blow up.
So we were trying to get our hands on it. They were obviously being careful after what happened with the Fold. And what's special about this one, unlike any of the other products that have come since in the folding region, this one folds the other way. The least durable component, the soft screen, lives on the outside of the device. Mm-hmm. The more of these things that I see where manufacturers are doing the opposite and folding inwards, the more I wonder about this early design and how it can possibly hold up long term. I can't help but be skeptical. It's hard. I hope it's not the case. The more form factors, the better. It's all very exciting for people like us. But it remains the only device to approach it in that fashion. Wait a minute. Did the FlexPi do that?
Yes.
The FlexPi folded. Which way did the FlexPi fold? Did it? No. The FlexPi folded that way. That's the only other one. So,
but who uses
no one's using it. But the Mate X is in a weird camp right now. It's just the Mate X and the FlexPi. And every other reputable brand realized we got to fold it inwards. We're scared. And in the case of the Fold, their fear was justified. And we'll see what Motorola is capable of pulling off. But for the time being, this is the first real big brand actually available. It launched officially where the screen is on the outside of the device. So if they ever do send it to us, which Willie Do is now guaranteed, we're going to get to the bottom of that and see how it holds up, because I still want to use it. It feels like a long time ago we first heard about it, but I still want to use it. I want to see how that works, because as I told you with the Galaxy Fold, the thing was open all the time. I'm never using that little tiny screen on the outside. This one, if this design makes durability sense, gives you a real smartphone 2019 form factor, even when it's folded, which is unique to this device. So I'm still curious. And it's all happening in 2 months.